Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
While I can understand राहुल गांधी's difficulty, कोविड के वजह से बहुत लगभग 1-2.5 साल से थाईलैंड में कोई विजिटर्स को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं. So Rahul Gandhi has come here to Goa for his vacation. On behalf of the BJYM, we wish Rahul Gandhi a happy stay here. Even the Aam Aadmi Party comes to Goa occasionally for political tourism. And I can assure all of you that none of these political tourists will be able to dent the Bharatiya Janata Party's strength in Goa. The Congress party today has no leader, has no cadre, and has no policy at the very national level. What can a visionless, leaderless, cadreless party offer to people of Goa? We are a party of Karyakartas, we are not a party of Yuvraj. The Aam Aadmi Party is infested with corruption and infighting in Delhi. Their ambitions are high, but they are not to be found beyond newspaper advertisement, beyond hoardings and outside of Twitter. The TMC is only to be found on hoardings of Goa. What can Mamata Banerjee, who is known for the misrule of West Bengal, offer to Goa, which is already under a great government led by the BJP? The BJP Goa model offers prosperity, development and happiness. The TMC West Bengal model gives you terrorism, mafia and corruption. We may not agree with each other's political ideology, but never has been in Goa a culture where Congress has killed BJP workers, BJP workers has killed another party's political workers. There has been a culture of political respect and mutual acceptance. But with TMC, I want to warn all political party cadres, every conscientious Democrat in Goa, TMC will bring with it its violent nature of politics in their hatred towards Modi, in their frustration and desperation that they are out of power. They are placing the petty politics and their interests of their immediate political interests above the long-term interests of the nation. We all remember, Parikarji was on his deathbed. Rahul Gandhi made a visit, spoke to him, came outside and lied to the press. Lied to the press when Parikarji was on its deathbed on Rafale.